Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best line laser levels currently available in the market. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, professional contractor, or just looking for a reliable tool for home projects, this list has something for everyone. Make sure to check the product links in the description below for more details. All right, let's get started. At rank number 5, we have the Aliexpress Laser Level Line Tool, which is the most budget-friendly option on this list at just $8.46. This compact tool packs surprising versatility for its price point. It features a multifunctional design, including vertical, horizontal, and cross-line laser modes, making it ideal for basic tasks like picture hanging, cabinet installation, and tiling walls. The inclusion of an 8-foot measuring tape with both metric and imperial units is a thoughtful touch for added convenience. However, the build quality reflects its low price. Made from lightweight ABS plastic, it's not the most durable option and might not stand up to heavy-duty or professional use. Performance-wise, the laser is manually operated and powered by LR44 batteries, which are included. But the accuracy and stability might not satisfy users with advanced needs. The Aliexpress Laser Level is perfect for casual users who need an inexpensive tool for simple indoor projects. Pros include its affordability, ease of use, and multifunctionality, while cons include limited precision and durability. If you're on a tight budget or just need a laser level for occasional use, this is a great entry-level choice. Coming in at number 4 is the Motivera 100 feet green cross-line laser level. Priced at $25.99, this model offers a fantastic balance of features and affordability. It boasts a powerful green beam, which is 4 times more visible than red lasers, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. With a self-leveling feature that automatically adjusts within 4 degrees and a manual mode for angled applications, it's versatile enough for various tasks. The design is rugged, lightweight, and rated IP54 for water and dust resistance, ensuring it can handle tough job site conditions. It also includes a comprehensive package with a carrying bag, magnetic bracket, and batteries, making it ready to use right out of the box. The 360-degree magnetic bracket allows for flexible mounting options, and the adjustable brightness ensures longer battery life in different environments. While it's a solid performer, the Motivera laser level lacks advanced precision compared to higher-end models, and its maximum range of 100 feet may not suffice for large-scale projects. Pros include its affordability, enhanced green beam visibility, and versatile modes, while cons are its limited accuracy over long distances. Overall, it's a great pick for DIYers and casual users looking for a reliable laser level that won't break the bank. Ranked number 3 is the Bosch GLL5020 self-leveling cross-line laser level. At $50.96, this model is a great mid-range option for users seeking reliable performance and durability. Bosch is known for its high-quality tools, and this laser level is no exception. It features bright, thin laser lines with an accuracy of 5/16 inch at 30 feet, making it suitable for a wide range of indoor tasks. The self-leveling pendulum system ensures precise alignment, while the IP55 rated housing protects against dust and water, making it suitable for challenging job sites. The design is ergonomic and compact, making it easy to store and transport. The integrated magnetic mount adds versatility, allowing attachment to various surfaces or use with a tripod. The included AA batteries ensure you can get started immediately, although some users may prefer the option of a rechargeable battery for extended use. While the Bosch GLL5020 offers reliable accuracy and durability, it does have a shorter range of 50 feet compared to other models. Ideal for professional-grade indoor projects, its pros include dependable accuracy, robust build quality, and ease of use, while cons include its limited range and reliance on AA batteries. It's a solid choice for users who value performance and brand reputation. At number 2, we have the MBYLO 16-line laser level 360 self-leveling. Priced at $54.99, This laser level is packed with features that cater to professionals and advanced DIYers. The standout feature here is its 4x 360 degrees laser coverage, which projects 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines for full room leveling. The green laser beam is highly visible, offering 4 times the brightness of red beams, and its adjustable brightness allows customization for different lighting conditions. The MBYLO laser level comes with 2 rechargeable batteries that last up to 8 hours each, ensuring minimal downtime. It also includes a remote control for easy operation and a range of accessories like a magnetic bracket, lifting platform, and tripod adapter, making it versatile for various applications such as tiling, flooring, and construction projects. With plus or minus 1/10 inch accuracy at 8 feet and a maximum range of 100 feet, it delivers professional-grade performance. However, at nearly 3 pounds, it's heavier than most models, which might make it less portable. Pros include its comprehensive features, high visibility, and excellent accuracy, while cons are its weight and slightly higher price compared to simpler models. Overall, this is an exceptional choice for users who need advanced functionality and reliability. Finally, at number 1, we have the DEWALT DWO88K Line Laser Level, the premium option on our list. Priced at $125.99, this laser level is built for professionals who demand top-tier performance and durability. The self-leveling feature ensures accuracy within 1/8 inch at 30 feet, making it perfect for precise tasks like framing, cabinetry, and layout work. Its IP54 rating protects it from water and debris, while the overmolded housing and 1-meter drop rating ensure it can withstand the rigors of a busy job site. The patented integrated magnetic bracket provides secure attachment to metal surfaces, and its compatibility with tripods adds versatility. With a range of up to 165 feet when paired with a detector, sold separately, a DWO88K is ideal for both indoor and outdoor projects. The durable storage case included ensures safe transport and storage, and the tool's automatic operation mode makes it incredibly user-friendly. Though it is the most expensive option on this list, its reliability and robust build make it worth the investment for professionals. Pros include precision, durability, and extended range, while cons are its higher price point and reliance on a detector for maximum range. If you're looking for the best laser level money can buy, the DEWALT DWO88K is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right laser level for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and comparisons. Let me know in the comments which laser level you're thinking of getting, or if you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. See you in the next video.